Hello guys, what's up? This is Mortaza from A Coder's Journey. Here I am in the next episode, the 10th episode actually of this HTML5 tutorial. And in this episode, I have decided to talk about comments in HTML and how they can be useful not only to add more information, but also to kind of hide some content in order to debug the, design that you have come up with, the HTML document that you have come up with. Now, in different languages, of course, if you have, some experience in programming, you know that we have the, possibility to add comments. These comments are mostly for, other programmers. They can help add more information to our document. They're not used by the browser to render our elements. And in other languages, they're not used by the, compilers to render something in the output. Now, suppose here I have a paragraph tag, right? And I'm going to have a quotation tag like what we talked about, in the previous video. We say, this is a quotation element. And I'm going to add quote Q here, right? And I'm going to put it here. I'm going to save. I'm going to go to the browser. I'm going to refresh. And this is the output that we get, right? This is what we talked about in the last video. Now, suppose for any reason I need to add more information for the next programmer or for myself to, for example, talk about this Q tag. So I can come here and I can say, you know what? First of all, you can, add comment using this. You can say, this Q tag helps to create a quotation. As you can see, here in HTML5, in order to put in a comment, we use the angle brackets and also the exclamation mark. And after that, we need two dashes. If I save this and if I come to the, browser and I refresh, I don't see anything here. But of course, if I remove this comment like this, and if I save, I come here, I can see this in the output. So let me press Ctrl Z. Now, as well as adding more information for ourselves or for the next programmer, another benefit of adding comments is to temporarily disable a piece of code. For example, I want to test if this Q element, this quotation element, has any significance in the output. So what I can do is that I can come here and in VS Code you can press Ctrl K and then C, and you can add a comment to this line, and then you can save, and then you can come here and refresh, and you will not see the output of this element because you have converted this into a comment. And then of course you can add, if you want to add a piece of inline element into a piece of comment, you can do this, and then you can save, you can go and refresh, and as you can see, the Q element with the text quotation is not rendered in the output. So I think what I'm trying to say here is that the comments not only help us to add more information for both ourselves and other programmers, but they can also help us to temporarily, disable a piece of content so that in the output we can check what will happen if, for example, we disable this piece of code. Other languages have, other ways to add comments, but in HTML5 you do this. So that's all I wanted to talk about in this episode. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If that's the case, make sure you subscribe to A Coder's Journey. Activate that notification so that you do not miss out on my upcoming videos. Share this video with a friend. And also, if you've got anything to say, please leave a comment in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up. This is very important for us, guys. This, keeps us going. So please like this video and share it with a friend. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and bye-bye.